1996 Integra Receiver driver replacement. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking, how in the heck am I going to replace this receiver dryer? It wasn't easy. It takes a lot of patience and perseverance. What you have to do is move the power steering out of the way, obviously. I removed the cruise control, flipped it out of the way, and remove the nuts holding down the bracket that cradles the receiver dryer. Once you get that loose, of course, once you take off the lines, lift up the bracket far enough so you can tilt it towards the engine compartment and loosen the nut that's holding the receiver dryer into the bracket. Trust me, it takes a lot of patience. This is what I had to use. 10mm is a nut on the side of the bracket. Another tip, when you replace the O-rings on the high and low pressure lines, you will drop them, but they're pretty easy to fish out from the bottom of the car. 96 Integra Special Edition. Alright, until I finish the rest of this project.